Mm, mm, Time will tell. Hey, yeah. I've been drowning in emotions that I never learned to face. Tried to fix the broken pieces, but they never stayed in place. Every night I make a wish, but it falls right through my hands. Feels like love became a battle that I never understand. I put my heart inside your palms, thought you treated carefully, but you tore right through the armor, left the weak part still in me. Now I'm stuck between the silence and the things I never tell, throwing prayers into the darkness like a coin inside a well. I toss my heart in the wishing well, hoping it would heal someday, but the water never answers back. It just takes the pain away. You ran off with a part of me, I can't lie, it hurt like hell. Now I'm searching for the strength I lost the day I fell. Yeah, I've been fighting all these shadows that keep trying to pull me in. I've been smiling on the outside while I'm breaking from within. Sometimes love feels like a blessing, sometimes like a final blow. I keep reaching for the sunlight, but the rain don't let me go. I gave you everything I had, maybe that was my mistake, but you taught me what it feels like when a heart begins to break. Now I'm learning how to breathe again, rebuilding from the shell, still throwing wishes in the water, hoping someday I'll be well. I toss my heart in the wishing well, hoping it would heal someday, but the water never answers back. It just takes the pain away. You ran off with a part of me, I can't lie, it hurt like hell. Now I'm searching for the strength I lost the day I fell. Some nights I feel like giving up, some nights I feel revived, some nights I swear I hear your voice echo through my mind. But every scar becomes a map showing where I had to grow. Every wound becomes a story only I will ever know. I tossed my heart in the wishing well, hoping it would heal someday. Now I'm learning that the only way is finding light my own way. You can't take what's meant for me, even though you hurt me well. Now I'm rising from the depths where all my broken pieces fell. Yeah, I'm still learning how to let go of the things I couldn't change. Still climbing out the memories that echo in my brain. But every tear that ever fell taught me how to stand again. And every loss I ever loved turned into my strength in the end. So if my heart is in that wishing well, I leave it there to grow. Cause sometimes you gotta lose yourself to find the you didn't know. I ain't broken, I ain't hopeless, I'm just healing where I fell. One day I'll smile for real again. Yeah, time will